Good morning, students. Today we are going to start on next topic, that is a heart sound. As you all know, there is two sound which are here. That is first heart sound and the second heart sound. First, that is the lub, and second one is the dub sound. So the sound can be heard by an instrument. That is an instrument by which you can heard the heart sound, that is stethoscope. First sound, that is known as lub, that is systolic sound when contraction of auricle and ventriculus occur. ठीक है, एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, जब वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल स्टार्ट होता है, जब आपके ऑरिकल्स ऑलरेडी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर चुके होते हैं, उसके बाद जब आपके वेंट्रिकल्स के अंदर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट होता है, एट दैट टाइम क्लोजिंग ऑफ दिस ऑरिकुलोवेंट्रिकुलर वॉल मेकिंग ए नॉइज, दैट इज नोन एज लब. This one is the louder and the last for longer duration. That is 0.14 second. Second heart sound, that is also known as diastolic sound. This sound is produced in a rapid closure of semilunar wall. As you know, semilunar wall are present in the pulmonary artery and aorta. When these semilunar walls, rapid closure of these walls making a second heart sound, that is known as dub or dub. This one is the ventricular diastole. When ventricles are in the relaxing condition, start to relax, at that time closing of the semilunar walls of pulmonary artery and aorta making a second heart sound, that is known as dub or dub. This one is a less louder as compared to the dub sound, and this one is a for lesser period time, that is 0.11 seconds. So these are the two main sounds of heart that are heard with the instrument that is known as stethoscope. If there is any kind of mishappening, or if there is any kind of damage in the semilunar wall, that is in the pulmonary artery or aorta, if there is any kind of damage in the wall, so a soft hissing sound just like the dub share, ठीक है, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, आपको सेकंड हर्ट साउंड डब की जगह पे क्या दिखा सुनाई देगा, लब शेयर करके आपको हिसिंग साउंड सुनाई देगी. वो क्या होती है आपकी डब और शेयर. वो किसकी वजह से होती है, इफ देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ डैमेज इन द क्लोजिंग और इफ देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ माल फंक्शनिंग इन द heart. So you can hear this abnormal heart sound with the help of stethoscope. So the heart sound can be amplified and recorded with the help of instrument that is known as phonocardiogram. So this one is all about the sound of heart. Now we are going for the next topic, that is electrocardiogram or electrocardiogram. So electrocardiogram, also ECG or EKG. So firstly differentiate electrocardiograph or electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram. So electrocardiogram is the graphical representation. It is the graphical representation of electrical activity of heart wall is called electrocardiogram. You have not to be confused with electrocardiogram and electrocardiograph. Here graph is not the meaning of graphical representation. This electrocardiograph is a machine. This one is a machine by which this graphical representation, this electrical activity of heart is captured. So the father of electrocardiogram father of electrocardiography is Inthoven. But the first ECG was recorded किसके थ्रू? वेलर। सबसे पहले ये जो था फादर जो थे इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम के वो थे आपके इंथोविन, लेकिन सबसे पहले रिकॉर्ड किसका किया गया था? वॉलर साइंटिस्ट का। ओके, सो देयर इज 3 काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज। फर्स्ट वन इज नोन एज पोलराइजेशन, second depolarization, and third one is repolarization. So these are the electrical activities which are observed by the electrocardiogram, that is a machine. So what is polarization? Firstly, all the walls of heart in the resting condition, that is known as polarization. As you know, this one is the membrane, outside showing the positive charge and inside showing the negative charge. This one is known as polarized resting condition, rest condition. As depolarization occur when SA node transmit a stimulus on this area. It may be anyone, we are considered this area. SA node which is having the power of auto rhythmicity transmit an impulse, and these impulses are present here. This condition is known as when the reversal of charge take place. This one is positive and this here impulses are transmitted here, the autorhythmicity is present here, so that the reversal of charge take place at that area and here. This condition is known as depolarization. Depolarization, or you can say that auricular or atrium systole. Atrial systole, it means SA node start generating impulse and the auricles are going to contract, or auricular systole is begin from here. That is depolarization. And lastly, repolarization, when the condition bring to the normal. Here this negative charge again convert into, and here the impulse transmit to the next portion. This is known as conduction. So from here this is goes onward, and this complete is known as conduction, and this condition is known as repolarization. So these are terms which are responsible for the electrocardiogram representation. तो नेक्स्ट में हम देखेंगे अभी हाउ कैन वी रिप्रेजेंट ए टिपिकल electrocardiogram. You can see from here. Firstly, draw a line, and after that this one is P wave, this one is Q, this one is R, S, and this one is T. So this P wave, will start when auricles are going to contract, यानी कि auricular depolarization. or you can say that auricular systole. When auricles are going to contract, then this P wave is observed. At this place, this region is known as PQ interval. You can write here interval. And this one is for 0.1 second. This auricular systole or depolarization take place 0.1 second. Now, from here, Q, R and S. Q, R, S complex. From here, R to S and this S to T. R, S interval or S or T interval. Here 0.1 second take place and these are intervals, this PQRS, this one is the ventricular depolarization, or you can say that ventricular systole. And this interval taking time 0.4. So from here, auricular systole complete. After that, the impulse are transmitted to the AV node, and from AV node, the impulse are transmitted from here to the bundle of His, and completely auricles are going to contract. When auricle contract, this higher peak you can see, observe in the graph, and after that the T wave, when auricles are going to in diastolic condition. So three waves are clearly recognized in a typical ECG or EKG. This one is known as electrocardiogram. That is a electrical activities recorded by the electrocardiogram, that is a machine. This one is a graphical representation, and by getting this graphical representation, if there is any kind of disorder, enlargement of heart, shifting or delayed pickup of heartbeat, easily recognized. You can easily observe that this one is an electrocardiogram, this one is a graphical representation, this one is for the depolarization. After P wave, you are getting P wave after the auricular contraction. After this one is going to transmit the impulse AV node, and from AV node the impulse are going to the bundle of His, and all the walls of ventricles are going to the contract till there. This one is known as ventricular contraction. After that, when ventricles are in the contract condition, then auricles are also in the relaxed condition. But at the end of the ventricular relaxed contraction, when ventricles are going to be relaxed, auricles are already in the relaxed condition. At the P wave, when all the four compartments, all the four chambers are in the diastolic condition or the relaxed condition, then you are getting T wave. So this one is a complete graphical representation of a ECG. Thank you.